Fencing.
Fencing.
Yes.
Rogiri.
It's called kuhirega.
Kuiriga rogiri.
There was no rahirigorire haria ndiraherigite.
Hirega.
Yes. There's a place called Hirega.
Hirega ikuria Mathira.
Ikuria Mathira. Uria kwa constituency ne ya Jogu. Yes.
Hirega ne Mathira.
Uria maragweterwo uri uramara makabururuka.
Makabururuka.
Mabuge wako ule.
Karati nari.
Most homesteads had live fences.
Live fences in Hiriko.
Live fences in Hiriko. Nero girwa kumera.
Ni mumea tu.
Yes. When all these live fences need ya shina thitima. Nero girwa rwa kumera na gushe.
Na gusheha.
Gusheha. Rugo karaini. And you would know what to plant for the fence. Yes. Of course there were very few demigods. Marina rugirirwa. Is it mutarakwa weta what ya Cyprus?
Hey.
Kora sesa.
Hey. Go. Automatically yale mesi ya mahiga.
Neki urauga we. And those homes had a driveway.
Yes.
Yari na Cyprus yo. Na yari. Nigetha mutigacuthagie micene yanyu ri ikaunithio.
Neo ni micire yari gate igiri.
Yes.
Ya faramaini.
Yes.
Na riu ya kuingira compound ya mucii.
Na we compound ni ri there was another access gate ya guthi shamba.
Yes sir. No, gutigwa gukira anywhere.
Na Cyprus ya kundu gutari kanyamuri ndiatumanaga.
Ni aregaga pio. Pio no muthu ni aregire.
Yagi ya thenya itahana. Ya bataye muti.
Muka give up.
Fence ya koro off ground. Ya na vikati. And no matter how hard you try to contain it,
they would not.
No amukarara yero
giru ne ro akararagia pio.
Ito kesi cia kona rugiru rwa Cyprus very well shaped. Kwaje ru kundu kwa heho. It does well.
Very well.
Na ndio mena gate ire ihana rutara rwa gucina nyama.
Bas.
Yes. Nega curi hau karufa ukamwene kundu
ku.
Yes.
Makandika ginya plot number.
Yes. LR number. Yes. Na drive the way ori ina mahiga meri mari tu na raini. Ukamya kundu kuingira ake.
Kuingira ngari.
Yes.
Nacio no ni megucagiria ginya thimu ire ya raini.
Neki urauga we. Ake uragiro ne PC atha magugu. Kana oria. Eta watia boy. Yes. No, those were homes on a mutiagera haku na rugiriro.
No.
You would not even find idlers sitting there.
No, unless you are suspected to be criminals planning.
I would think you are planning a heist. Why you are doing it? Mutiere ku.
Hello. Ku.
Kuru mureikaria. Tige sonoka. Ndio nyumba cio na mabati ma red. Yes. Aita ituru vale kana ibati riria ri umuna ni ri hakerendi. Yes.
Na micio kindu onaga wi bara no cumune.
Na ndogo. Na ti ndogo ya mwaki wa kuruga. Niguo ta.
Hari ya metha-ini.
Yes. Ikombe ria uria kona stairs.
Riu ikombe ya idilita riria tuonaga ibuku-ini.
Yes. Dina nginya faranda with a view. Tigirana ri. Monsieur Noagere, your fence was multi-purpose because it was also animal feed. So you would be very careful what you plant so that you can substitute
when times get tough.
Actually, you would just let your goats do the work. Heather gesia ko onda ihu ni ari yaginya pinako.
Ngiterera guo. Na mambere.
The lantana eta lantana kamara. Lantana kamara is called what in Kikuyu? Ina ruta to tuiru to ni to na kapeko komo.
Which one is that?
Lantana kamara leto kwirwo. I just don't have the Kikuyu name. Na maroro. Maroro was the lowest form of security.
Maroro.
You see one? They were considered for lazy people to do. They would grow. And the villagers sometimes would actually send you a delegation.
You have encouraged.
Now how come you don't go out there? And it's only holding to have Sifa oka na ke? Na zia wangu. Ukero dauo. Rogiyo rotikara.
Rotikarare.
Yes.
Rocheho.
Todo roetere ya jinuthu.
Rugathondeka gathike ti bara.
Yes. Na hedo rwakuraga. Mwaro cia mwaro coki original ri. Mwako now you are in 3D.
Mwaro ukamuhaka ri.
Yes. Murono mukiuma bafu.
Tondu wathirire guku thiini.
Yes. Yeah. So that was considered a shortcut. Yes. Ukire misie nayo. There were very few homes. Yakona rugirirwa chain link.
Hey. Chain link.
Chain link. Etagwo meci. Yes.
Ati kwi meci woya.
Actually handu makura ruongo matari mona roro. Twacioneire handu ya tuka Nairobi.
Ya meci wa.
Meci waya. Yari ya marodi. Institution.
Yes.
Na makanitha maria meiguite.
Na institutions iti primary.
Ana. Ona titheko nyingi ni hai nitwanyitana. Yes. Na kundu kurabatara andu makoro me thiini ta njera. Ekono andu babatara gukorwo me confined. Marajau. Riu angi aria meigua ri. It was also a sign of upwardly mobile people. Ni mungionie riu muthuri fulani ri. Ihĩ ciake igĩrĩ rĩ nĩcionwo cia bata stage na kamuti ga icembe mukamenya gathiĩ gwĩkĩrwo gatagatĩ ga thĩ rĩngĩ makuanĩre thĩ gĩkĩ na thĩ rĩngĩ nĩ mũkorwo mũinua na chord.
You must be in unison,
especially when going downhill.
Kanone ni uri ungi.
No, ungihinga breki.
Thigingi ni atirania.
Yes. Thigingi nayo ri. Most men back then they never used to employ casual laborers. They would just get a working. Working ni natoka aria rucio.
Ukwenda atia?
When ugoka kai gutukiareria bara. Akamenya hau hewe.
Hewira.
Yes.
Ni wira atumwo.
Matinda makigatha
na njiri.
Yes.
Kera njiri haha.
Yes. Na wira ucio ni wa mahe ticket ya kureherwo irio kianda. Yes.
Na cie hiyo. And not conventional traditional meals.
Tigithere.
Ata.
Yes. Nigakima ka mahu na iria imata. Yes. Mau mathi makarekerie ki?
Makarekerie buroti.
Na thigingi rimwe ni arehaga interclan warfare. Tondu one, necessitation ya thigingi ri wakoraga riu ni mura complain muno mugunda wanyu ni urateremwo. Ni kwageire ki?
Andu ni matuire mugunda wanyu bara.
Tikati. Yes. Ona maembe manyu mathireke o matute.
Nikuyo.
Yes. Na mwekira thigingi unlike thikũ ici kwageire ũtheri ri andu matiamenyaga. Mundu aigua thigingi kanua
ahitukiire hau rucini oria makimenyerie gutuikaniria mugunda kwanyu
Yes.
na inyu mwairiga muthenya
Yes.
akiuma buroti na mairia ri
Yes.
agiuka uria menyerete
Yes. Mukaigua ciari a mwena uno matiraraniria mwora ngia mukoria Simon niki babanyu mekanie na ithe wa oria wa Jehu
maruire ba
maruire niki tata Jehu ekirie thigingi haria sasa ageraga ikimutarura kiria kiromo Aboka igwa ne bau asiriri
Methuri be arenda turagire ciana
because before people got the memo ati hapo hakuna jia there had to be some few injuries
na no nginya ma sensationalize
nigetha
utuike urenda kumuragira ciana nikio rekirire thigi
and you see mathi ya gwe cifu atua cira na kihoto akoria atiri hau airigite ri ni gwake no niho tugeraga tukiringa murimo ndiroria atiri koguo mugeraga kweni andu au ari njira hindi ya majeneti riu fairo iria ndinacio haha ri ironania njira ndiri handu hariku koguo ni nyuo mukwehera kwene mucoke itiki-ini yes ni araturaihĩria njĩra ya rũĩ no thigingi wekira you had to prepare for politics
dirty politics
very dirty yes and almost armed resistance
yona ni mwairigaga wako mugunda wanyu ukiriganitie na barabara na ringi karenji gakiri gatenderu uguo riu kwage utenderu ri andu ni menyitagirira rugiri-ini rwere ucoke mekirire thigingi njeru njugi mundu anyita uguo athecwo arekia agabacana I would consider you an enemy of the people.
Atu gukuri maugire meikarie. Uguo roni airige ri ni eikarie.
Ni meiganirie.
No wetanaga icimba. Na guko muthuri ucio ka maita matatu mwaka. And you see, most people did not have money. If there was a very rare cases ya mundu wirigite mugunda wothe. Wairiga mwena uria urathura andu ariku.
Urathura andu acio. Kana mwena uria murona is a weak link security wise.
Yes. Face front. Ngethe deceive andu mugunda ni muirige wo. Wothe.
Nobody would have the muscles. Wirige mugunda wothe.
No, an acre or two. That's a lot of barbed wire. No gacuria kabati au gacengenge ni ng'ombe
kwa iriga ofisi
kwaje unye thigingi wengi atemire ng'ombe ya mundu
kana njau
kwaje itemwo kuguru kironda githie muno ituike ni kuriyo kimandi
ucio ni uthu wagia
especially if it is your brother
Like, 52.